Want to save mobile data on your Samsung? Here's how to block specific apps from using data in just a few steps. First, open Settings on your Samsung device. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Now, tap on See All Apps to view the full list of installed applications. Find and select the app you want to restrict from using mobile data. Next, tap on Mobile Data Usage. This will show you how much data the app has used. Finally, toggle off the option that allows background data usage. This ensures the app won't consume mobile data when you're not actively using it. Thanks for watching. Hope the tutorial helped you, so subscribe and like please.